Alright, hello, hello. It is time to continue Layton. We left off yesterday. We had picked up Luke from his house, and he seems to be able to claim to predict when the giant will appear to destroy parts of the town. So we're trying to see whether or not his prediction will be correct. Right now we're waiting for nightfall, so we're just kind of exploring town to get a lay of the land and pass the time. Cat. I wonder how the water tastes. I assume this is gonna be the puzzle shack. What's up, Blue? It may be an aesthetic choice. Dude, he really is like guarding the entrance to the forest. What the heck? This is like quite the detour. I think the fish is the one observing us. Uh-oh. Not a hidden puzzle. 70 books. A bookcase has shelves, 7 shelves, each filled with 10 books of the same size. When you choose a book, you must also take the 2 books above, below, to the left, and to the right, of the one you actually want. If there are fewer than 2 books in any of these directions, you cannot choose that book. Choosing as many books as possible. How many books will you end up taking? Oh god. Okay, so it's like when you take a book, it takes that book, and those books, and those books, and those books, and those books. I guess? Which is 9 books. So the question is, how many of these plus signs can you pack in here? Not many. There are fewer than 2 books in any of those directions, you cannot choose that book. And then you could take, like... No. That's, like, already as many as I can take. There's no more valid selections. But I should be able to do, like... No. Wow. Well, the answer's probably either 18 or 27, but... Trying to figure out if there's any way that I can pack these in to get more than 2 groups. It's not a very pretty line. I think it's just impossible to have more. My confidence in that statement is extremely low, but I'm not seeing a way. Wait. It doesn't say directly above or below. So maybe it's like... If I take this book, I take these books, these books, these books, and these books. But then if I take this book, it would be these books, these books, these books, and these books. Because there are still two in those directions, just not immediately in those directions. Then this becomes a lot funkier. Well, no matter what, it seems pretty impossible to get the corners. There's a total of 70 books. And we've just deleted 16 books from the group, which puts us down to 54. 4, oh my god. 54. Which is divisible by 9. That would be 6 groups. So is there a way... to drop 6 groups in here that just cover this entire, like, middle? I mean, probably. No, maybe not. This becomes difficult. These two down here. How would I get those? It's like I'd need to prepare a blockade in advance. So, like... that's gonna be a problem for every single... No matter which one I place first. The two books that are... And this is especially bad. The two books that are above and below on the far side, either it's gonna be one of each or 2 on one of them, aren't gonna be reachable in any way anymore. What's up, Scroyon? So, like, these become kind of inaccessible, as far as I can tell. So it's definitely not 54. It might be 45 then, if I can figure out a way to not drop any more groups. No. This is like the only spot that's left. I ended up with 36. And that's even assuming I'm interpreting this correctly. Which is his usual very bold assumption. But yeah, so basically the logic is like this. You can only choose a book from the middle 3 rows, because if you choose from the top or bottom 2, then there aren't enough books below or above it. Above or below it. And once you've chosen a book from a row, the other 2 rows have fewer than 10 books in them, no matter which of the 3 rows you choose. If you choose the top row, the bottom 2 rows will get a book removed. If you choose the middle, the other 2, and if you choose the bottom, the top 2 rows of the 3 in the middle. And if there's only 9 books in a row, you can only take 1 book, or well, 5 books from that row. You can't take 10 because there's not 10. But the row that you chose initially, you could choose another group. So it seems to me like you can only like take 4 groups, which would be 36. Now again, that's assuming that like you can hop like this. As it says, you take the 2 books above, below, to the left, and to the right of the one you actually want. It doesn't say the 2 books directly above, below, to the left or the right. It says if there are fewer than 2 books in the direction, not like next to it. So I think that this is the correct interpretation, but it could be wrong. Because the other interpretation is just uninteresting. That's the problem. It's like you get 2 groups and that's it. There's like just no way to fit more than that. You just very quickly dead end and the puzzle's over. So that's where I started. Well, let's see what happens.
A challenging puzzle, to be sure.
Rip.
A little more thought is in order.
You have to count all the books you can take. I did. Did I do the math wrong? Well, I could try 18 next, but it's also probably wrong.
Some
I
puzzles
got
must
4
be met
groups.
directly.
Okay, well, whatever.
A gentleman leaves no puzzle undone.
Lame. So far, story-wise, absolutely nothing. We're chasing a cat. Because we saw a cat. There are 4 types of fussy fish in the tank below. The orange fish dislike the yellow fish, and the yellow fish dislike the blue ones. The blue fish abhor the purple, and the purple fish can't stand the orange. What's worse, no fish can be with another fish of the same color. Add dividers by drawing straight lines from the notches along the side of the tank without crossing over any fish. Using just 4 dividers, can you divide the fish and bring harmony to the tank? Orange, yellow, yellow, blue, blue, purple, purple, orange. So, wait, what are the corners here? Orange, yellow, blue, purple. Oops, there's a cool P. Purple, orange. So orange and blue, yellow and purple can be together. Okay. Like, sometimes you gotta find the lines that even, like, work. And this is, like, kinda, sorta cutting this guy's tail a little bit, right? So, I don't know. Wait, what does the red mean? Does that mean it's no good? No, it just means that it's locked in. How many lines we get? 4. Okay, orange and blue, yellow and purple. Oh shoot, so we need to split these 2. This may actually just... no. It's close, though. Okay. Orange, blue, yellow, purple. This looks good. Assuming that none of these lines are, like, cutting things too close here.
How about this? I knew I could do it!
Give names to these odd fish. What? The fish minigame has been added to the trunk. Pleasant Garden. Okay. We were looking for a cat and ended up with some fish. Oh boy, you've been given a fish from newly discovered species. They always swim in a straight line. If they meet a wall or obstacle, they bounce and swim away. Slide the bubble from the box on the lower left and place it on one of the mini bubble clusters. When your fish swims into the bubble, it will ricochet and pick up speed. Create its path with the bubbles. Bubbles pop when your fish bounces off them. Gold bubbles will pop as well, but they can't be moved. If your fish hits a gold bubble, it will ricochet quickly through the water. For a short time, it will speed through the water and go through any regular bubble that it hits. After hitting walls or obstacles 3 times, your fish will return to its normal speed. Place bubbles in the tank so that your fish can gather all of the coins. There are 10 types of fish tanks. Collect them on your journey. See what happens when you complete all the fish tanks. I assume they bounce off the walls of the tank? Wait, but I have an extra bubble, so I might be... Maybe it goes here. No. Wait, this isn't even on a corner. Wait, neither are the rest of these. Why is this one on a corner? Is that weird? Doesn't that mean it'll just completely reverse its direction? But I think this will cause it to miss the coins. Well, I'm not exactly sure how it bounces at the edges of the tank, I guess. I can just go, see what happens. Okay. Well, one might assume that I want to place one here, but... But that assumption is incorrect. I see, it changes whether it's on or off the grid when it goes over to the edge of the tank. No. Whatever. I'm just confused, but it's fine. Why did I even need to name the fish? Where does that show up? Aha, a hidden puzzle. Tricolor cube. The toy cube below has 3 different colored sides, each marked with a unique symbol. The opposite side of each one is the exact match, both in color and symbol. This cube can be taken apart into pieces and put back together. However, not all of the pieces shown are part of the cube. Can you figure out which pieces make up the cube? Tap each correct piece, hit E, and then tap Submit. Okay, well there's 8 pieces total. And 3, 6. So it's like two of the 3 pieces and one of the 2 pieces, I guess. Okay. So we just count. This has got 3 reds, 6 yellows, and 3 blues. It's kind of hard to read. This has got 3 reds, 3 yellows, 6 blues. This has got 6 reds, 3 yellows, and 3 blues. This has got 2 reds. Wait, hold on. No, that's wrong. That is all wrong. That is all wrong. Let's try that again. 3 reds. 3 yellows. 3 blues. Oh yeah, okay, so this is useless. Because it's just 3 on all of them. Yeah, okay, fair enough. And then these are also 2 each. The bottom ones. Okay, so that is not an approach. Fair enough. So I could instead just try and think about which of these pieces like even can interlock. So A and C can interlock in a way that's reasonable. Where like this face and completes this face. And then if we did that, we would need... I mean, we would need this piece. That actually should work. Let me think about that. Feels like it would be wrong, but... we would have built a cube that looks like... blue, 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 red, 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 red. Oh, there might be the problem. Hold on. Yellow, 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 yellow. And on the back is... I mean, the correct things, obviously. Blue, 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 right? And then, yeah, just for good safekeeping. Red, red, red. Wait, and on the bottom, it's... these ones. Yellow, yellow. So we need a piece that... oh, maybe this is wrong. No, it could work. It just... E just needs to be rotated. Yeah. So now the question is... is this actually a valid cube? And I think it is, because you could just rotate it like that, and it would actually match exactly what we've got on the... I'm not sure it's actually possible to create, like, an invalid cube in terms of the, like, order of the colors, if you will. Like, you can always just kind of rotate it. As long as the colors are opposite. Should have been making sure. So now the question is, like, what's the problem with these other ones? Like, why are they not usable? I mean, I guess B can't really interlock with A in any direction because this blue just doesn't match. Like, if you link this up with this, then the blue is being matched with the red. And on the other hand, if you just, like, stack them, then this blue is being matched with the back here, which is red. And if you, like, rotated it so that this goes in, like, that way, then the blue is, like, on the inside, which is clearly wrong. Okay, what about B and C then? Probably similar issues. No, you could take this and let's clear this all. Here and here, so that like this bottom piece sticks down here. And that's the correct color. But then this part here, the remaining bottom part, you would need yellows on the edge, and neither of these have yellows on the edge. So that's the problem. So I think it was A, C, and E.
This took some creative thinking. No puzzle is without an answer.
Cool. I didn't search the exterior fully. Meow. Interesting. Goodbye. I want to start growing a tree in my room. There are currently no puzzles for you to solve here. I guess that's a good sign. Never face a Specter on an empty stomach. Often enough, apparently. I mean, I guess even one time is often enough. Did I find 3 coins here? Whatever, doesn't matter. I didn't use them anyway. Oh, hello. This doesn't actually, like, get me anywhere I need to go, but... just to do it. Got him. It won't make you thinner. We'll talk to people along the way, I guess. See if they have new puzzles. Looks like maybe not. Okay, in that case we're just gonna go back around. And we know that if we ever miss puzzles, I can just, talk to the cat! I definitely missed a puzzle or two, because I've... on puzzle number 21, and I think I've finished 21 puzzles, but I've also done 3 bonus puzzles. Are those just not counted? Whatever. Fog has made this sign impossible to read. While the townsfolk can't recall the exact order in which the numbers appear, they do remember the following. Each number from 1 to 9 appears once. 5 is between 2 larger numbers. 3 is between 2 smaller numbers. 7 is between 2 larger numbers. The first number is 9, and the last number is 1. Use the clues to put the numbers in the correct order. Okay, well 3 has to be over here then, because 3 is between 1 and 2. 7 is between 8 and 9, so 7 has to be here. Which means that 5 has to be here. Or not. What am I missing? No. Whoops. Five, 6, 4. There we go. 9, 7, 8. 5, 6, 4. Okay, let's double check. 1 to a 9 appears once. That was kind of forced. 5 is between two larger numbers, 8 and 6. 3 is between two smaller numbers, 2 and 1. 7 is between two larger numbers, 9 and 8. First number is 9, last number is 1, so that...
I'll handle this one, Professor. I did it, Professor.
Mystery solved. Oh, I got a new fish. It's a lovely hat, by the way. Yeah, I'm missing 18 and 20. Well, that's not good. Maybe I should explore. Okay. Yeah. That had approximately the effect that I was expecting, but sometimes it's hard to trace these in your head. Reminded me of a puzzle. Should be 20, yeah. Whoa. Oh god, I'm screwed. Okay, a famous artist was commissioned to paint this picture by a wealthy yet eccentric cat lover. The painting, entitled How Cats See the World, actually contains several hidden cat shapes that are designed to blend in with the background. Can you find all the cats hidden in the painting? How many are there? I don't know, what is a cat? No, this is impossible. Okay, I mean, there's one here. This one, there's one, like, here? Is that a cat? Is this a cat? Well, here's a cat. Well, maybe. Is this cat part of the painting? Or is it like looking at the paint? Well, I guess this whole thing is the painting. Ugh. There's a cat face here. Does that count? It even has like ears. It probably counts. There's also one kind of here. Another cat face. I see cat faces everywhere. Like, here's a cat face. Here's a cat face. And I'm gonna count them, I guess. Find all the cats hidden in the painting. Yeah, it does say that. I mean, it kind of blends in. I mean, I don't see anything else, but, like, I'm not even sure the ones that I do see, like, count. Very clustered in the bottom left. This curtain is, like, a little suspicious. My eyes keep getting drawn to it, but, like, I don't think that counts. How do I feel about hints on this game? I mean, I don't know, I've played it before, I guess. But I don't really want answers, that's for sure. I just feel like this is gonna be, like, awful. Wait, what happens if you quit? Wait, can you just quit, save, and then, like... Or do you lose pick-or-ats by quitting? Am I about to, like, game the system in the worst way possible? Have to quit every puzzle to get the dialogue for the characters when they, I already lost someone on an earlier puzzle, I know. Like, it hardly matters at this point, but a puzzle like this, I'm just like... It's not like I'm gonna lose points once. I'm gonna lose points like 6 times before I get the right answer. Oh god, there's 2 digits worth?
Some puzzles must be met directly.
Whatever,
A
man.
gentleman leaves no puzzle undone.
Those are exactly... No! Those are not all the ones I found. Wait, what? Okay, that's funny. Perfectly balanced as all things should be. Missed one, was wrong about another one. Oops. Okay, let's see what other NPCs are out and about. Cool. Could have like 5 by now, but... I never did go this way. Okay, well... I will continue to not go that way. Or that way, for that matter. Now I really may be missing a puzzle. Did Luke always have predicting powers, or was it just this game? Well, we'll find out, I'm sure. I mean, he didn't in, like, the first 3 games released. He never did such a thing.
Well, what do you think, Luke? Do you see anything yet?
No, nothing.
I'm still having a tough time buying all of this. It sounds like some scary bedtime story. Is this even possible?
Well, we'll soon find out.
And a poor little boy who predicts where the giant Specter will appear. So what now? I mean, what if this thing never even shows up?
What on earth could that be?
It sounds like music.
The flute. It must be.
Quickly, to the window.
What is that thing?
Can this be?
Specter.
I told you, this is it. The world is ending.
Let's go.
No, please, you can't go out there.
And it's this point that Layton has solved the entire mystery.
Where is that coming from?
Luke, listen. We must keep a clear head at times like this. Do you understand?
Uh-huh.
We can only uncover the truth if we stay calm and remain rational. Do you think you can do that for me?
Okay. Oh yeah, this place is pretty heckin' beat up. Jesus. Just hanging out here. I mean, Catriel had a talking dog. Although, I don't think that's explained in the game. The time travel game? I mean, time travel is not exactly supernatural, but it's also not exactly... Thanks, Specter. The cat! I mean, what? That's very convenient. Okay, we're just gonna sleep in that room. Awesome. Yeah, Luke foretells. Luke seems to be able to predict precisely where and when the Spectre will appear. But how? I believe he's hiding something from us. As an aside, Luke seems to be extremely fond of animals. Alright, so now I've like officially missed a puzzle, right? The white market. The blue market. The green market. Yeah, wow. Okay. Oh, we are in a different room. Hotels often provide stationery in their rooms for visitors to use. In your room, it seems some mischievous individual has cut a hole in one of the sheets of notepaper. You want to cut the piece into 2 identically shaped pieces. The boxes marked by the dotted lines are perfect squares, and you cannot lose any part of the stationery. Where should you cut? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Times 4 is 24. There's 28. So I need to cut that in half and make 14 piece... pieces? 14 square pieces? One would imagine that it would kind of involve somewhere around this thing. These, I always find these like really hard, not gonna lie. So, I think that the trick here is that it's never gonna be the case that you have a cut where where the rotation is 180 degrees. It's gotta be like 90, because if it was 180, then this hole would always get in the way. Like, regardless if it's diagonal or flipped or whatever, what have you. So, like, for example, these 2 pieces and these 2 pieces could be, like, part of the same shape. Wait, hold on. Are we allowed to flip? 2 identically shaped pieces of paper. You should be able to. So then these would be shared. Let's do it this way. And then maybe we can give these to both of them. And these to both of them. And then... Okay, so this is kind of what we have so far. Well, because of this cut, this needs to be a cut, right? Which means that this belongs to you, and this belongs to you, and then it kind of like staircases out. Is that actually 14? Is it actually like correct? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, it looks right. Assuming that like flipping is allowed, but I'm gonna assume that flipping is allowed. Looks good to me.
This is what I've come up with. That was it.
Flip one of the pieces over. Yeah. Okay, good enough. puppet theater minigame. Direct the puppets to bring each show to its fullest conclusion. Clean up? This is a puppet show that you will direct. You will see the puppets act out your directions on the top screen. Tap the middle of the touchscreen to advance the story. As the story progresses, you will direct different actions. Tap an action on the touchscreen and then touch OK. If the action you choose was correct, the story will continue. If you choose the wrong action, the story will develop into nonsense and the play will end. If you want to revise an earlier selection, touch rewind. Choose the correct actions to see the play's grand finale. There are 3 plays. After you successfully complete one, you'll move on to the next one. You'll collect actions for your puppets to perform as you progress the main game. See what happens when you bring all 3 plays to their grand finales. Do I actually have enough actions right now? It's my first cooking class, so I was kind of nervous. Welcome! A chef is light on words and heavy on the cooking, so let's get going. It's the first thing you need. That's right, ingredients. Today we're looking at cartons of carrots. There we go. Carrots, onions, potatoes, broccoli, beef, and milk. Let us make a stew. Okay, these are fresh veggies here, so you can't use them as is. Not unless you like the taste of dirt. Chef was right. They were all pretty dirty, so I sliced them first. Boo. Slicing has never really been my strength, but I gave it my all. The chef had to physically restrain me. I'm not quite sure what I was thinking. By your hand, the play fell apart. Will we ever get to see how it ends? Yeah, no, we'll be here all day if I try to choose all the wrong options. So I rinsed them first. Only a barbarian would cook with dirty vegetables. Don't be afraid to wash them thoroughly. Once the vegetables are clean, put them on the cutting board. Now, let's go ahead and peel them. I was shaking nervously. I could hear the clock ticking, but I blanked the peeler firmly. Gripped. Sliced the peeler? The vegetables were peeled. I had done it. I exhaled a sigh of relief. Nice. Now that you've peeled them up, let's cut them up. Come on, chop chop. We'll do the same for the meat as well. I took hold of the knife and being careful not to cut myself, I blank all the vegetables. Slice. Good. Almost time to throw everything in the pot. But first, let's bring out their flavor a little bit. The chef took a frying pan. As soon as I saw it, I knew what I had to do. I coated the frying pan in oil, threw the meat and vegetables in, and died. The end. Some reckless fools, huh? Couldn't be me. This would be the easiest miniseries. I actually remember the final one being pretty hard. Because I'm pretty sure that there's a lot of options that allow the story to continue even if they're incorrect. Because they're, like, sensible in the time, but then you, like, start running out of words that make sense later on. But maybe I'm thinking of a similar minigame in a different Layton game. Yeah, that's fair. Cracked clock. That doesn't bode well. While taking a clock down from the wall, you drop it on the floor, cracking its face in half. Curiously enough, you find that the sum of the numbers on each side is equal. Draw the line that shows exactly where the clock face is split in half. Okay, I can't, like, cut 12 in half. Just... Alright, how do you do math? 1... It's 12... What? Well, it's like 78, right? If you add up all the numbers. I think it's 78. Off the top of my head. 1 to 10 is definitely 55. So it would be 66 and then 78. Yeah. So 78 divided by 2 is some number. 39? That doesn't bode well. Well, maybe it's fine. Okay, so I need things to add up to 39. We got 12, and 11 is gonna be 23, plus 10 is 33, plus 1 is 34, plus 2 is 36, plus 3 is 39, so it's these ones. And then just to double check, we've got 4, 9, 15, 22, 30, 39. Yeah. Okay.
A challenging puzzle, to be sure. I love the thrill of a good solution.
Oh. Trading puzzles. Sounds like some dirty business. Moonlight Melancholy. A prince and a princess from 2 countries have fallen deeply in love, but their 2 countries are at war, and so the young lovers cannot be together. Tonight, as they gaze at the moon, separated by more than just distance, each sheds a single tear. Bring them joy by forming a symbol with which to adorn the night sky. You may move and rotate their tears as inspiration. What? Create a symbol of joy inside the box. What? I can't... Here we go. Okay, well now it's upside down. Rotating is hard. Rotating is... How? Where do I have to touch this thing to rotate it? There we go. Where do I put it, though? The mustache? Heck yeah. Whatever.
This took some creative thinking. No puzzle is without an answer.
Thank you. We should go. The bread sniffing patrol. Taste test. There are 4 different types of buns in this assortment of 12. There are more cream buns than butter buns, fewer chocolate buns than jam buns, and fewer jam buns than cream buns. If buns of the same type always have the same shape, what is the fewest number of buns you'd have to taste to determine which shapes are each type? Okay. Cream is more than butter. Chocolate is less than jam. And jam is less than cream. Fewer chocolate than jam and fewer jam than... Yeah, okay, that's our... Okay, we've got 3 cats. 4 normals. 2 squares. 3 flowers. Okay, well... In order to make this triple inequality, this needs to be 2, 3, 4, and that leaves 3 here. So the cream are the normal ones, the jam and the butter are the question marks, and then the chocolate are the square guys. So I think the answer is 1. You bite into one of the jam or the butter ones, and if it's jam or butter, then you know that the other one is the other one.
Some puzzles must be met directly. A gentleman leaves no puzzle undone.
Yes. Poured in. What can you do with these? Legendary nectar. What if you can't taste the difference between butter and jam? That is a good question. Perhaps. I didn't talk to this guy. Floating cottages. The 7 floating cottages shown below are connected by 12 small bridges, which has made this little retirement community quite the tourist attraction. A visiting couple has decided to paddle a boat out to one of the cottages and walk back to the mainland by crossing each bridge only once. Which cottage should they start at? Okay. This isn't like form a grid, so I can't use like the normal even odd. Well, actually though, these 3 only have one like way going in and out. Which means that if they're not the start... Ah, here's the problem. G goes to F twice. I think that just kind of gives it away immediately, right? I didn't even notice. Kind of just have to start at G, and there's like probably 1,000 different ways you can get around. Actually, this might be the only answer, but, you know, whatever. Oh, each bridge, huh? That does change things, doesn't it? That does change things quite a lot. Okay, well, that's a way. I don't think I proved anything. Why does it have to be D? That's the question. Don't mind me. Oh god. This has 6? Ugh. Didn't think I'd be drawing a K6 today. Why have I done this? Okay. No clue what I'm drawing. I'm drawing the dual of the graph. And then you could do some magic on this to make a proof. the tree of life. No, this graph is fine. Because now you can just do normal Hamiltonian stuff on it. But the question is, like, why can't I just... I don't know, there's like a million paths I feel like I could take here. But they seem to all end on D. Just very strange. Wait. Maybe not. Oh, I see the problem. Yeah, these need to be split. This isn't quite right. Annoying. Annoying. Oh, I became red. That's fine. Okay, here's the answer. It's D. D has an odd number. All the other ones have an even number. Problem solved.
This took some creative thinking.
Sometimes I just want to draw graphs. I don't
love
know.
the thrill of a good solution.
Look, a new fish. It may look easy, but you'll need a bit of planning to collect the coins in time. There's a bit of a trick to it. Didn't seem like it really helped that much. Well, that's quite not good. So this is going to cause that bubble to either break or me to miss it altogether, right? Yeah, okay. I don't think this is good, but I also don't think that... this is going to work. I mean, maybe. Yeah, no. Wait, why the heck did that... what did I do differently there? I used a different bubble, I guess? Instead of what, this one? No. Wait. That just worked. What was the trick? Trick was to ignore the... Ignore the second golden bubble? I don't know. It's a para minigame. The para minigame was a bit more annoying, as I recall, because that one was like kind of physics-based or whatever. Black and white cats. You want to display your impressive collection of black and white cat paperweights on this 4x4 grid. You must fill every space, and no row or column can have more than 2 same-colored cats next to each other. The 6 cats currently on the grid must remain where they are. How can you fill the rest of the grid? Touch a space in the grid to place a cat. Change its color or remove it. Okay, well, there's already 2 black cats in this column, so they have to be white. Then this has to be black. Then these have to be white. And I'm screwed. Okay, I misread something. No row or column can have more than 2 same-colored cats next to each other. Okay, that changes things. I thought it was total. Okay, but still, these have to be white because there's already 2 blacks next to each other. This has to be black because there's already 2 whites next to each other. These have to be black, which means this has to be white. This can't be black. This can't be white. This can't be black, and this can't be white. Yeah.
A challenging puzzle, to be sure. No puzzle is without an answer.
But no, the fish minigame is purely like grid based. It's just that the grid is diagonal. It'll never like reflect at an angle that's not 90 degrees. So is this cat even here? They are, okay. Two luxury cruise ships pass each other in the middle of a very calm sea. The 2 ships are completely identical, and the 2 ships' captains happen to be good friends. Ahoy there, Captain Brown. I didn't think I'd see you here. I didn't expect to see you either, but it looks like you've been steaming along at a fair rate of knots, Captain White. Which ship is Captain Brown's? I mean, the only difference is the angle of these, I think that the tighter angle means that B is moving faster. It looks like you've been steaming along at a fair rate of knots, Captain White. Okay, so if Captain Brown is surprised that Captain White is moving quickly, then this is Captain White. Oh god, that is a color. And then this is Captain Brown. So Captain Brown is ship A. I don't know, I'm getting this wrong, whatever.
This took some creative thinking. I
The
love the
50-50.
thrill of a good solution.
The worst kind of puzzle. Alright, moving on. We continue to explore the town. He just wants me to travel, right? Yeah. I'm gonna go by foot, though, because I don't want to miss anything. Wait, did I ever end up talking to you? Apparently not. Oh my god. Ah. One day, I saw a spacecraft hanging motionless in the sky right above me. Must be engine trouble, I thought. The solution was simple. All I had to do was move the spacecraft's energy ball from the left side to the right, and it was as good as new. Think you can do the same? What is happening here? So I need to figure out a way that I can get this out and then, like, deposit something in its spot, basically. Together in between. back to sliding. I feel like I need to create enough space that I can, like, move this all the way up. What I really want to do is get one of the purples down into the goal, but I'm making that harder and harder on myself here by the second. I mean, if I can do that, then I can get the ball into the goal as well. Like, I have to be able to do that, basically. But it may not need to happen right away. That's the question. Yeah, there's like just not enough space here. And there could be if... Well, I don't know. I'm gonna be here all afternoon. Dude, these aliens need to get their crap together and build better UFOs, seriously. Well, how the heck did that happen?
How about this? I knew I could do it.
Ugh. It does seem to be a rather unusual story, doesn't it, Luke? Ooh, Dream Train. I had a dream where I was looking up at the stars and suddenly saw a big flash of light across the sky. I then realized I was in a train, but I had no idea where it was going. Anyway, I set up a course just like in my dream. I think the catch here is I probably don't need to get all the fuel. If I had to guess, some of this fuel is like a decoy. Whoops. But maybe not. Ah, I'm on the fuel. Okay, so how much do these give me? Once you go to it, you have to go over it, and that gives you plus... It's plus 5, because it's minus 1, because you're also, like, going. So, like, getting to this square by going through these 2 fuel versus just going there, I definitely end up with more fuel. Quite a bit more. But, like, if I was here, for example, is it better to take the detour to get the fuel, or to just go for the exit? Because it would be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine, 1, 2, 3 to get here versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it would be better, although I can't actually get through there. I guess we could see it. Well, no, not really. Okay. Save. Moving on. Yeah, I lost 5. Because I kind of stopped caring. I'm trying to remember what the puzzle was. It was a puzzle where the interpretation of the English language was arbitrary, and so I had 2 things to guess, and the one that I guessed first was wrong, and the one I guessed second was correct. Yeah. How old? A friend wrote you the following letter. Our baby girl, Nat, was born last year in March. If you multiply her age by those of her older sister Kat and brother Pat, the product is 36. If you add their ages together, you'll get a sum of 13. Everyone is healthy and happy. Write back soon. The letter was written on April 25th. What are the ages of Nat, Kat, and Pat? Oh god. I don't think the date matters. I guess it kind of does, because you know that that Nat is 1 year old. Yeah, they can't be 0. Whoa. So Nat is 1, which means that we're basically saying that x times y equals 36, and x plus y equals 12, and that could be 6 and 6. I mean, I guess if you wanted to algebra it, it would be x times 12 minus x equals 36, which is the same as 12x minus x squared equal... I'm not heckin' doing that. Are you kidding me? Wait, it's already factored. That's kind of funny. I just, like, made it worse. How do you do these again? I don't even remember. Oh my god. It's been so long. No, you have to subtract and then... So it's not already factored. It's like... Whatever, it's 6. Oh god.
This is what I've come up with. That puzzle wasn't so hard.
They are, in fact, twins. Oh. Book stacks. Months as decimals. Someone left a ton of books on the table, and now these two librarians have the unpleasant task of shelving them all again. The librarians are trying to count all the books, but they're stacked so high that neither one can see them all. Using each librarian's point of view, work out how many books are on the table. Oh god, this one's looking at them diagonally? Don't do that. That's bad for your eyesight. Nah, this is just messed up. This is heckin' messed up, man. Okay, well this is 2. And this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Because that's the point of view here. 4. The biggest of the others are 4. The middle is 2 because of this person's point of view. I can only assume the colors, like, aren't correct here. Which means that... Oh yeah, we already see this 5. Maybe the colors are fine. So this has to be 3. Which means this has to be 4. So then we have to do some quick maths. 16?
Some puzzles must be met directly. No puzzle is without
I
an
think the
answer.
books are also, like, very tall or something. Okay. Can we go this way yet? Oh yeah, we can keep going. Don't think I've been over here. I mean, apparently not, if I'm finding coins. I guess. Usually like try and keep better track of how many coins I've found on a screen as I pass through them, because, never sure. Glass boxes. 27 glass boxes have been stacked together to form a cube. Some of the glass boxes have a gemstone inside. Image A shows a view of the cube from above, B shows the view from the side, and C shows the view from the front. How many boxes contain gems? Okay. Well, from A, we know that there's none in any of these, like, rows or columns, or whatever stacks you want to call them. Which means that there's at most 9. So, like, in particular, these gems here and this guy or whatever isn't in the front. This could be 6, and this could be 2. No, this could only be 1. So this narrows it down to 7. Wait, how is this possible? How is this possible? Oh, shoot. Ah, shoot. Shoot. This is the blue line. I had it rotated in my head. Okay, so fine. Only the front corner. This corner? This corner can have... So, like, this stack, the one next to it, and then the one behind that. So again, though, still, this limits it to 7. But this is telling us that there's actually only one in the column that the stack that I have. It's like this one right here. And then this 3 is going to be the stack in the middle, like the very middle stack. And then this tells us what's behind that, which is just 1. So I think it's a total of 5.
A challenging puzzle, to be sure. I love the thrill of a good solution.
Done and done. Yeah, this place definitely does look like an evil base, huh? No puzzles hidden there. Whoa. Single light hangs from a beam above the floor of a dilapidated warehouse. There are 2 posts, both of which are a foot tall, separated by a distance of 15 feet. The light casts a 3-foot-long shadow from the left post and a 2-foot-long shadow from the right post. Figure out how high the light is hanging above the floor. Is this not just like trigonometry? What is happening? I mean, it's probably not, but... But, okay, they're a foot tall. Separated by a distance of 15 feet. Figure out how high the light is hanging above the floor. Yeah, crap, how do you do this? Geometry is long gone from my mind. There's got to be a simpler way than, like, actually calculating the angles and stuff. Because it could be done. I'm pretty sure there's, like, more than enough information here to just trig it out. But there's probably a smarter way. It's a total of 20 feet across, for whatever that's worth. We don't know how far this distance is. And I don't know that solving that is going to be any easier than solving for the height of the triangle here. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I could solve for this angle and solve for this angle, and then... I guess that would give you this angle. And then what? Yeah, I don't even know. Does that even help, actually? Probably, but... I don't think they're nice numbers, so... Okay, it's more than 1 foot. That's, I could tell you that much. Well, and what? I guess it's the ratio of... 1 to 3 here is the same as the ratio of x to y plus 3. Is that true? Is it ratio or is it like something else? And then you could do the same on the other side, which is 1 to 2 is equal to x to, well, it's 15 minus y plus 2, so 17 minus y. Which, if we math that out a little bit, gives us y plus 3 equals 3x, and 17 minus y equals 2x. And we want to solve for x, so let's do y equals 3x minus 3, and plug that in over here. 17 minus 3x plus 3 equals 2x, which is, wait, was this a plus? This is a plus. So 20 equals 5x, x equals 4. Jesus. I mean, they're like really asking to solve a like system of linear equations here. Or do trigonometry. Wait, how high the light is hanging above the floor? Yeah, okay.
What do you think about this? You can't let a puzzle intimidate you.
Well... At least I didn't solve it incorrectly. Jesus. Okay, so nothing like special by finding the cat in a different spot. That's no surprise. Battling your own laziness. It's deep. There is no toy shop. Would appear to be a candy shop, though. Nope, just lollipop. Just trying to find coins here. Well, good enough, I guess. Fruit friends. 4 friends met in town, each with a kind of fruit to share. The first friend brought a bunch of bananas. The second brought a cluster of grapes. They set the fruit down at their feet as the third and fourth friends arrived, bringing with them a grapefruit and a melon. They also laid their fruit at their feet, but then had to run off as fast as possible. Where did the group meet? Circle your answer on the map. I mean, I assume it's B. Because a banana and a cluster of grapes probably won't roll, but a melon and a grapefruit will. All these other spots are flat, and if it's rolling downhill, then they're going to have to run off. I don't know, that's the only thing I can think of.
Some puzzles must be met directly. A gentleman leaves no puzzle undone.
Licked. What are we looking for in the black market? We're looking for whoever sold the mysterious flute that is making the noise that we've been hearing. Because rumor has it was sold in the black market. I'm not sure where that rumor came from, though. Well, from Luke, but don't know where Luke heard it, I guess. Luke is hiding lots of things from us. Alright, well, unfortunately it is time for me to eat, so I'm gonna go do that. There's probably stuff for me to do. Aside from that, I'll probably be back later. We'll see. But I'm gonna call her for now, middle of this chapter. feel like we made decent progress, but I'm actually sure. I don't know how many puzzles are in this game, but I'm at 35, which is... I don't know how many that is in comparison to how many there are. I'm done doing math for the day. Or for now. But I'll probably be back, so... Yeah. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. Next. Alright. Peace.